Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Surfers. So today I will show you how to get Duolingo Premium absolutely free of cost. So it is totally legal and legitimate for 1 month. So to get Duolingo Premium, follow the step-by-step tutorial. So firstly you have to copy this link and then you have to go to your browser. So in the browser you have to paste this link. Click on enter. So you will get this link and you will get this box where you have to use your promo code. So enter the promo code. So I will provide this promo code in the video description. So then click on yes, use. So now you can see this. Congratulations, you are getting 1 month of free super usage. Click on, and then here you have to create your account. So to create your account, click on Google, then this one, continue. So I am creating this account. It will take some time. So and then you will get this interface. Welcome to Super Duolingo. Thank you for your support in this effort to open up education. So click on keep learning with Super, and then now you can use this as your way. You can use this Duolingo Premium for 1 month absolutely free of cost.
car,
So use this method as much as you can. So thank you for your time and join our others platform.